Because I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie
with AshHoles.
I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
Right, here we are. Just kidding, none of that shit today. We actually got a cigar in the humidor that I really am fucking excited to try. I smoked it a long time ago. It's one of my favorite brands, Casa Magna Oscuro. Now, personally, I'm a big fan of the Colorado, so I cannot wait. A couple of things about the Casa Magnas. Number one, these cigars are packed to the brim. They're always really tightly packed. They burn forever. So this one smoke should probably last me around 2 hours, maybe 1.5. But like I said, the Colorados usually burn really, really slow. Okay, so it's got that nice plumminess that you'd expect. A little bit of leather. It's actually the smell is not that strong. The wrapper, ooh, sour, man, citrusy. Ooh. This is definitely a full cigar. That Oscuro gives the bitterness right up front. You don't even gotta wait. No sweetness, pepper, bitter. It's been a while since I've smoked a cigar that had so much power in the beginning. It's like unbelievable, very, very strong. But not disgustingly bitter, like I'm not like licking dirty rocks. It's actually very nice. Okay, about an inch in. Nice smoke. Funny enough, it's expected it to be a little more leathery. Has a bit of earthiness to it. Like I said, a nice bitter earthiness, like a dirty earth type flavor. Best part is, as far as the bitterness goes, it's like kind of like level with the flavor, so it's not overpowering, it's not disgusting. It's actually really, really nice. My one issue with the Casa Magna so far is right there. You see that? Say no to crack. That's all I gotta say.
So the one thing that I do want to say is, in the beginning I did say how tightly packed it is and how slow it burns. Maybe they changed the ratio of tobaccos a little bit, but this one is not as tight as I remember it. Maybe the Colorado's a little tighter, I don't know, but I definitely have some. The Casa Magnas go, like I was saying, I have a couple at home that are so super tight. I mean, they pull great, but they're packed as hell, and they will, like this long, but they'll burn for like an hour and a half. It's unbelievable. As far as flavor goes, earthy, woody, bitter, good.
Crack, 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 look at that. Crack, 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 crack. Well, I guess maybe it's don't blame the cigar, it's probably the humidor's fault. About the flavor, so like I said, it was a little earthy, I believe. Now it turned into a nice leathery flavor, still peppery. All right, approaching the band, still a little fucked up, but that's okay. Here's what's nice, the evolution, and this is what I really like about the Casa Magnas. It went from the earthiness, little dirtiness, and it evolved into a nice leathery cigar, and I'm feeling it. It's tasty as hell. Like I was saying, the pepper also kind of like took a step back a little bit, which is great because now it's like kind of just pure leather, and it's enjoyable. Dare I say, even a hint of a little sweetness. I don't know, maybe a little. I guess like Quesada, I got mad love, but I gotta point this out. Take a look. You see that? The actual band is stuck to the leaf. Look at that. Ripping it off. No bueno, mi amigo, no bueno. Very upset. This should not be happening. To throw it out, it was just ripping up apart. It wasn't pulling well, which kind of sucks. The cigar itself actually tasted really great. Who knows how awesome it could have been if it didn't break up at the end. Like I said, started a little earthy, bitter. Towards the end, it became a little leathery, which is nice. It's usually what I expect from a Nicaraguan blend. Here's what I'll tell you. I definitely do enjoy the Colorado a little bit better, but it's nice to try both. It's definitely something I'll pick up again. I love cigars. Blah, blah, blah.